We're going to crochet the Cosmos Blouse together. This blouse will for sure become one of your favorite pieces for the summer season. This beginner-friendly pattern is available in the sizes extra small to 4XL. All you need is some universe cake yarn, a pair of scissors, some stitch markers, a crocheting hook size 4mm or US size G, and a sewing needle. I have linked all the products for you in the description box below, as well as the link to this PDF pattern where you can find more detailed information about exactly your size. But let's get started! We are going to start with the yoke, and for that chain 116. At the end you join the chain with a slip stitch to make a circle. And just a general note at the beginning, we always chain 3 at the beginning and they count as the first double crochet. For round 1 you have to chain 4 and crochet 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Did I mention that this blouse comes in XS to 4XL? Then you're going to chain 1 and skip the next 3 stitches. We continue with a sequence that you will actually crochet a total of 3 times. 1 V-stitch, and a V-stitch consists of 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet in the same stitch again. So start by 1 V-stitch in the next stitch, then chain 1 and skip the next 3 stitches. As I said before, we're going to do this a total of 3 times. Like this video and leave a comment in the comment section telling us in what color you are going to crochet your Cosmos blouse. Now we're going to form the first corner. For that we crochet 1 V-stitch in the next stitch and chain 3 instead of 1 and 1 V-stitch in the same stitch . And here we formed the first corner, as you can see. Chain 1 and skip the next 3 stitches. Next up, we again crochet 1 V-stitch in the next stitch, chain 1 and skip the next 3 stitches. You're going to crochet this sequence a total of 5 times. Now we have reached the next corner, and again here we're going to crochet 1 V-stitch in the next stitch and chain 3 and 1 more V-stitch in the same stitch, chain 1, skip the next 3 stitches, and we continue with our V-stitch sequence. Here we started and then we crocheted 3 V-stitches and a corner, then 5 V-stitches and a corner. This is how far we have come. 7 V-stitches, corner, 5 V-stitches, corner, and 3 V-stitches. Join the round with a slip stitch into the 3rd stitch of the starting chain. And that was round 1. For round 2, we are going to start the round in the last chain space of the previous round. So the chain 1 you made before joining. Start by chaining 4 and crochet 1 double crochet into the same space. The following sequence we're going to repeat until the first corner. Chain 1, skip the next V-stitch, so this one, and crochet 1 V-stitch in the next chain space. Chain 1 and skip the next V-stitch. This sequence will be repeated until the corner. When you arrived at the corner, please crochet 1 V-stitch, chain 3 and 1 V-stitch in the corner. Repeat this pattern until the end of the round. So first normal V-stitches and then corner V-stitches for every corner. At the end of the round, you're going to join with a slip stitch into the 3rd stitch of the starting chain. Round 3. Start the round into the next available chain space between the 1st and 2nd V-stitch of the previous round, and then you're just going to repeat round number 2. So chain 4, 1 double crochet in the same space, and the sequence chain 1, skip the next V-stitch, 1 V-stitch in the next chain space, chain 1, skip the next V-stitch until you come to a corner, and there into the corners we crochet 1 V-stitch, chain 3 and 1 V-stitch. From now on, repeat round 2 and round 3 until you have a total of 36 rounds for the yoke. And please remember, for other sizes than this M size, check out the free PDF pattern in the description box. We have now reached the part where we actually will divide the piece and the armholes are created. I have placed both sides of the pattern onto each other. Work the V-stitches until you get to the first corner. Here you crochet 1 V-stitch in the corner, chain 1, and then you skip the side where the sleeves are going to be and make 1 V-stitch in the 2nd corner. And this is actually the front of your blouse now. Chain 1, skip the next V-stitch, and crochet 1 V-stitch in the next chain space again. You repeat the same stitch pattern until you reach the 3rd corner. And here again, we're going to crochet 1 V-stitch in the 3rd corner, which is the front side. Chain 1, skip the side, so there where we're going to have the sleeves, and crochet 1 V-stitch in the 4th corner, which is the back side of your project. Continue with the stitch pattern to the end of the round. And as you can see, we have now connected the sides, so holes for the sleeves have been created. For the body, repeat the same stitch pattern and work a V-stitch into each chain space between the V-stitches, and then chain 1 for as many rounds as you want to get the desired length, or until you have reached 10 rows. And now we're going to crochet the edging. For that, you crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch of the neckline, sleeves, and the bottom hem. To finish, weave in all the ends and block your project to reach the desired size. My lovely summer Cosmos blouse is ready just in time for summer, and I can't wait to visit my first barbecue party with this lovely blouse on. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss yarny content from us. See you again for the next video. Until then, have fun and happy crocheting!